Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. The topic is geometry. Exercise 4.2. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD and PQ are points on the side AD and BC such that PQ parallel to DC, PD equal to 18, BQ equal to 35, QC equal to 15, find AD, right? See here. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Then what they said, P and Q are the points on the side AD and BC. P, Q. Then you should join the line, right, PQ. Now you should construct a line from A to C or B to D, whatever it is, right. Here I am going to construct a line from A to C. That means I am connecting the diagonal, right. I am connecting the diagonals. What it is given, you see, PD equal to 18 centimeter. BQ equal to 35 centimeter. QC equal to 15 centimeter. Right? Over. But you have to recall the theorem. Using the theorem only we are going to get the value of this thing AD. Right? What is BPT? BPT or Thales or basic proportionality, I said. A straight line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. It intersects the other two sides at distinct point. The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Simple. What it is? If a line is parallel to one side, the ratios are equal. The ratios are equal. That concept we are going to use it here. Here you see, in triangle ACD, when you connect the diagonal meets PQ at R. They given already PQ is parallel to DC. If whatever point you are located on PQ, everything it is parallel to CD, right? In triangle ACD, they said what? PQ parallel to CD, PQ parallel to CD, that is given, which implies PR is also what? Parallel to CD. Why I said PR is parallel to CD? Because the R is lie on the line PQ. If PQ is parallel, whatever point lie on the line, that is also parallel to this. Got it, children? Now you said a line is parallel, PR is parallel to CD. Then you are going to apply the theorem by BPT. What is your suggestion? AP divided by PD, AP divided by PD equal to AR divided by RC. AR divided by RC. This is your equation number 1. Now you know the value of PD alone. PD is 18 centimeter. You don't know about what is AR and what is RC. Let it be as such. At the end we can apply. Right. Now in triangle ABC, what it is given to you? AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD. Then one more thing it is given to you, PQ parallel to CD, PQ parallel to CD. When you compare these two, what is your result? Which implies AB parallel to PQ. Got it, children? AB parallel to CD. CD parallel to PQ means definitely AB parallel to PQ. The same. If PQ is parallel to AB, you can conclude PR is also, that is RQ is also what? Parallel to AB. RQ parallel to AB. Will you agree or not, children? Because R is lying on the same line PQ. PQ is parallel to CD. You said CD is parallel to AB. That means PQ is parallel to AB. PQ parallel means the R is located. So RQ is also parallel to AB. Right? By Thales theorem or BPT. Again, what you are going to write, you see, AR by RC, AR by RC equal to BQ by QC, BQ by QC. That is equation number 2, right? Using the using the BPT in triangle ACD, PR parallel, that means the ratios are equal. AP by PD equal to AR by RC. Now you come to the triangle ABC, RQ parallel to AB, again BPT, AR by RC equal to BQ by QC. Now compare 1 and 2. What is your result? Compare 1 and 2. When you compare, you see AR by RC equal to AP by PD. Then AR by RC equal to BQ by QC. When you compare, what is your result? AP divided by PD equal to BQ divided by QC. Now you know the measurement, right? AP divided by 18 equal to BQ. BQ value is what? 35 divided by 15, right? 5 7s are 5 3s are. Then 3 1s are in between equal. If the denominator is a common multiple means you can divide. 3 1s are 3 6 are. Then what is your AP? AP equal to 42 meter. AP equal to what? 42 centimeter. But what they are asking to find AD. How to get AD? AD equal to, see here, AD equal to AP plus PD. AP plus PD. What is AP, children? We got it as 42. PD is given as 18, which is equal to 60 meter. AD equal to 60 centimeter, because the units is given in terms of centimeter, the same unit only you can use it. Got it, children? Two triangles you are taking. One is ACD, another one is ABC. Using BPT, we arrived the result AD equal to 60 centimeter. Got it? Question number 3. In triangle ABC, D and E are the points on the side AB and AC respectively. For each of the following cases, show that DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. First one, given AB equal to 12 centimeter, given AB equal to 12 centimeter, AD equal to 8 centimeter, AD equal to 8 centimeter, AE equal to 12, AE equal to 12 centimeter, AC equal to 18 centimeter. AC equal to 18 centimeter. This is the first subdivision, right? In triangle ABC, you want to prove DE parallel to BC. If you want to prove DE parallel to BC means what do you want to say? DE parallel to BC means the ratios are equal, you want to prove. The ratios are equal, you want to prove. Right? First you should take a triangle A, B, C. They said D and E are the points. D and E are the points. AB and AC respectively. You want to prove DE parallel to BC. To prove DE parallel to BC. AB by AD by AB. AD by AB equal to what it is, you see, 8 by 12. You want to say the ratios are equal, right? The ratios are equal means the lines are parallel. So that we are taking AD by AB equal to 8 by 12. 4 2s are 4 3s are. So your answer is 2 by 3. Next, AE by AC. AE by AC equal to what it is? 12 by 18. 12 by 18. 6 2s are 6 3s are. 2 by 3. Right? Here you proved AD by AB equal to 2 by 3. AE by AC equal to 2 by 3. Right? What is our BPT says? If the line is parallel, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. Here what they given as AE? AE is 12, AC is 18. Right? AC is 18. We arrived 2 by 3. AD by AB equal to AE by EC, that is equal to 2 by 3 you said, right? By converse of BPT, by converse of BPT, DE parallel to BC. You said the ratios. See here, AD by AB equal to AE by EC equal to AE by AC equal to 2 by 3. The ratios are equal, you said. By converse of BPT, DE parallel to BC. But BPT says that AD by DB. AD by DB. What is AD? AD equal to 8. AE equal to 12. AB, the total is 12. That means what is BD? BD is 4. BD is 4. Here it is 12. What is EC? The total is 18. The value will become 6. See here, converse of BPT, I said DE parallel to BC. If you want the BPT concept what it is? If the line is parallel, the ratios are equal. The ratios are equal. What ratio? AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AD by DB equal to AB by AE by EC. This one I am going to write it in another format. AD by DB equal to AE by EC. What is AD? AD equal to 8. What is DB? 4. You can say like this also. 8 by 4 equal to 12 by 6. 2 2. Here also the ratios are equal. Here you got it as AD by AB equal to AE by AC. That is also correct. If you want to apply the BPT, AD by BPT says that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. In that case also it is true. By converse of BPT you said that DE parallel to BC. Now the second subdivision, the same you want to do. DE parallel to BC, right? AD by AD equal to 1.4 centimeter, AB equal to 5.6 centimeter, AE equal to 1.8, AC equal to 7.2, right? If the ratios are equal, once if you proved the ratios are equal, you can say the line is parallel. If line is parallel, the ratios are equal. If the ratios are equal, the line is parallel. Now you see AD equal to 1.4. AB equal to AD plus DB. What is AB? 5.6. 5.6 equal to, what is our AD? 1.4 plus DB, right? 5.6 minus 1.4 equal to DB. Then DB equal to 4.2. DB equal to 4.2. It is another way, right? Next, AE equal to 1.8. AC equal to AE plus EC. AE plus EC, which is equal to AC is 7.2, AE is 1.8 plus EC. EC equal to 7.2 minus 1.8, right? What it is? 12.4, then it becomes 5 point, right? 5.4. DB equal to 4.2, EC equal to 5.4 centimeter. Two ways you can say. BPT means AD by AB equal to AE by AC, or AD by DB equal to AE by EC, right? AE by EC. First you should find out what is AD by DB. AD by DB equal to, AD is equal to what? 1.4 divided by 4.2. 1.4 divided by 4.2. Now 14 divided by 42. How I said 14 divided by 42? Multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. You are making as a whole number. The decimal you convert into the whole number. So 14 ones are 3s are. 14 ones are 14 3s are. Now AE by EC equal to 1.8 divided by 5.4. Again you are converting the decimal into the whole number. For that purpose you multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So 18 divided by 54, which is equal to 1 by 3. The BPT theorem says if the line is parallel, the ratios are equal. How the ratios you are denoting? AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AD by DB equal to AE by EC equal to 1 by 3. Here you said the ratios are equal. If the ratios are equal means what I told you, the line is parallel. that is converse of BPT, right? By converse of BPT, DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. Here you can say one more thing. AD by AB equal to AE by AC. That is also correct, right? But it is easy to say, right? AD, normal BPT means immediately what it comes to your mind. AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So I use that method. If the ratios are equal, you can conclude that by converse of BPT, the line is parallel, right? Ratios are equal, line is parallel. Line is parallel, the ratios are equal, vice versa. Got it, children? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.